In this practice, you will extract attributes information from blocks in a drawing and insert the information into a table. Open Ctrl-I drawing. In the Annotate tab, Table panel, click Extract Data. The Data Extraction wizard opens. Select Create a new data extraction, if required, and click Next. In the Save Data Extraction as dialog box, navigate to your practice file folder. Enter BOM as the file name and click Save. In the Data Extraction wizard, in the Data Source area, ensure that the drawing sheet set and Include Current Drawings are selected, and then click Next. In the Select Object page, clear the Display All Object Type options and select Display Blocks Only. Scroll through the list of blocks and clear Logo, including the words NO_NUM_ACADE_TITLE and the 5 blocks starting with WD. Click Next. In the Select Properties page, Category Filter area, clear all of the options except Attribute. In the Properties area, all of the properties are selected by default. Right-click and select Unchecked All. Then select CAT and MFG. Change the display name of CAT to Category and display name of MFG to Manufacturer. Click Next. The data is extracted from the drawings and the result displays on the Refine Data page. Click Next. In the Choose Output page, in the Output Options area, select Insert Data Extraction Table into Drawing. Click Next. In the Table Style page, in the Formatting and Structure area, type Bill of Materials for the title of the table. Click Next. Click Finish to close the Data Extraction wizard. Pick a point in the drawing to insert the table. Note that the table contains only the category and manufacturer information.